So in today's video, we are going to be demoing the Black Radiance foundation, their color perfecting foundation. Now it does say that it's new, so I'm not sure if this, well, I know this foundation is not new, so I'm not sure if they extended their colors or added new colors. But while I was at Walmart browsing around the makeup aisles like one does, like I do too much sometimes, I saw this and it had new on there, so I was like, okay, maybe it's new, maybe they extended their shades. But I have the shade Praline, and of course you guys know, well, Walmart doesn't even have any testers, but a trick that I like to do when I'm buying new foundation, especially at Walmart or Target or places where you cannot test to see if this is the right shade. And of course, due to COVID, a lot of the other makeup companies have took away testers. So Ulta, Sephora, they don't have testers anymore. Anyway, I like to go and grab my foundation that I know matches me perfectly. And for me, that is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 330. Yeah, 330. Caramel Toffee Caramel. And basically I do a shade match comparison. So I hold the bottles up together to see how well they match and color together. So I've done this for a while and it's worked pretty okay. I haven't had any foundations that was too off for me. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, this method doesn't fail me now of all times. But anyway, that's the kind of method that I like to do. Okay, so I've already done my skincare and everything off camera. If you guys would like to see what I use in my skincare routine, because it has been working really well. I don't know if you guys have, no, and I say this with a pimple right here. Oh, don't pick it. But it has worked really, really well, and I am thinking about sticking to this certain routine. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But let's get on to what you guys are here for. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face really quick with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. No, e.l.f. Smoothing Face Primer. That's gonna go all over my skin. And then for my T-zone area, I just like to take the Becca Evermatte Poreless. Yeah, Evermatte Poreless Primer. And just place that around the places I get really oily or my foundation tends to break, and that's around my T-zone area. So that's my laugh lines, the middle of my forehead, my nose, down the bridge of my nose. Now, as an extra measure, I'm going to go through and set my primer with this loose setting powder. And basically it provides you with a little bit more coverage when you are putting your foundation on. And I really only do this around my laugh lines. When I tell you these things separate and I don't want my foundation separating around my laugh line, I just go in and just set that. So for this foundation, I did pick it up in Walmart and it was around $5. So one of the cheaper foundations that Walmart carries. And I just want to read the description that is off of Black Radiance website really quick. So this is the Color Perfect Liquid Makeup, is specially formulated for women of color. This is oil-free, full coverage formula, enhances natural skin tone, never red, ashy, or shiny. The foundation glides on smoothly and evenly, leaving skin looking fresh and for a natural finish. So it's natural but provides full coverage. So we'll see. So the benefits says that it's creamy, long-lasting, flawless finish, works well with normal and combination skin types. It is oil free. So It doesn't say anything about oily skin. It just says normal and combination skin. So I do have combination skin. I have places where my skin is normal, places where my skin is oily, and places where my skin is dry. So right now, the places that my skin is normally dry is around my nose, but I think with my updated skincare routine, I haven't been having those issues a lot lately. But my skin has forever been like oily. On this side of my face, using the brush, I'm using the Morphe M439 brush, and on the other side I'm using the L'Oreal sponge. And I need to wet my sponge. Ugh. Oh, this has a weird undertone. This might be a little too, this has like a red undertone. This looks completely different. Oh, shoot. Lord, I done forgot. Oh, no. So this is very weird. I have dotted some more foundation on my face to do a second layer to see how buildable it is, and I had some dark spots over here, and it's buildable. You still see those little dark spots coming through, but it's like the more it sits on my skin, it's oxidizing red. I don't know if it's oxidizing because when I put the foundation on my face, it has a golden undertone, but once I put it on my skin, it looks more red. What do you think? Can you guys tell on camera? Do you see a difference? Let me know. Am I just crazy? Does it look amazing? And I just haven't done a makeup video in so long, I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh no, I know I'm not crazy. I know I see this red undertone. Is it? It's either a little red or it's just a hair too dark for me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through, finish the rest of my face, and then we will proceed with the review of the foundation and the wear test. So, be right back. I was in the middle of filming another video and I had to stop. My eyes are so, they're not burning, but they are watering non-stop. And I don't know what's happening. And the only thing that I can kind of think of what's happening is the foundation. Maybe something's in it that my eyes are reacting. My eyes have always been very sensitive, but maybe the foundation is, something in the foundation is reacting with my eyes. It can't be the smell. It's not perfumey. It doesn't have like too much of a bad smell, so I don't know what's happening. But I'm definitely, I want to try again, you know. I don't want to just assume that it's the foundation, where it could be, you know, a number of things. Maybe it is my allergies, maybe I got into something that, I don't know, that affect my eyes. I have no idea. I have not been outside today. I have been filming other videos and my eyes have been fine. It's just when I started to film this video with this foundation that my eyes started watering, and they've been watering nonstop. So we'll see. I might do an update again, trying out this foundation to see if it really is the foundation and not wearing anything else, just to see if my eyes are watering. But right now I just have to go wash my face and yeah. So I know this wasn't the video that you guys expected. My bad, it happens. But if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you are subscribed to my channels. I post videos every Thursday. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.